I am Sanjay Bansal, a resident of Hamilton Court and Vice President of Hamilton Court Resident Welfare Association. I wish Hamilton Court residents a very bright Diwali. हम दिवाली पे लक्ष्मी पूजन करते हैं। दिवाली से पहले दिन छोटी दिवाली बनाते हैं, उस पे भी एक पूजा करते हैं जिसमें हम कुछ दीप ज्वलित करते हैं। दिवाली वाले दिन हम लोग बहुत से पटाखे जो कि स्पेशल हम जामा मस्जिद के पीछे से ख़रीद के लाते हैं, उनको हम चलाते हैं। सब बच्चों के साथ हैमिल्टन कोर्ट में मिलकर हम दिवाली बनाते हैं। दिवाली बहुत बड़ा खुशियों का त्यौहार है।
Hello everyone, my name is Yug and I'm a resident of Hamilton Court, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Knowing the great history behind this event, we should cherish each and every moment on this day and celebrate it in the most prolific way. My parents bought me a lot of new clothes. I lit a lot of diyas and ate a lot of delicious food made by my grandmother. Yesterday I went over to my friend's house and we partied a lot, celebrated Diwali. And remember to be careful while bursting crackers. Happy Diwali and keep watching G Bharti.
I am Krishna Bhatt. I am staying in Hamilton Court. We have recently shifted from Greater Kailash Part 2 to Hamilton Court and I am enjoying stay here. And I am Cultural Committee convener also in this RWA. And we recently celebrated Diwali, and which was a great success, and all committee members, they worked very hard, and it was an excellent show which we put up recently on 23rd of this month. And Diwali, as all of us know, is a festival of lights, and actually it is said that Ramji and Sita and Lakshman, when they came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile, they came, it was Amavasi, that means a dark night, and then the people of Ayodhya, they decorated all their homes and the roads and everything so lighted, they lighted so that it was looking like a day that time. And this is how we celebrated this coming of Ramji from the exile. And also it is the celebrated to worship goddess Lakshmi. And I actually belong to Kashmir, and we used to have not much function as giving gifts and all that, but we used to celebrate it, actually we used to celebrate having very good puja, and then we used to make a special type of a bread that was made of sugar and ghee and flour, and that was actually prasad which we used to give, and every house used to make it and worship goddess Lakshmi in the evening. Everyone, I mean all the children and everybody would be around to have that puja there, and that was the way how we used to eat. But it is so fascinating to see the celebrations here in Delhi and all over, and how warmly everybody greets, and we are so happy to have this festival as Festival of Lights. And on behalf of Hamilton Court, RWA, I wish everybody, all the residents of Hamilton Court and Gurgaon and the whole India, I would say, a very, very happy Diwali. May God all bless you, and I really feel obliged to say that you should see G Bharti, as I found it a very interesting channel.
Hello everybody, I am Akshat Bansal, a resident of Hamilton Court, and I wish all a very happy Diwali. Yesterday I had put up a game stall and we had a lot of fun. Many of my friends had come to the Mela and we had an amazing time. May this Diwali turn out to be great for everybody. Keep watching G Bharti.
मैं डॉक्टर PR बंसल हैमिल्टन कोर्ट DLF फेज़ 4 का निवासी हूँ। हमारी ओर से हमारे सारे देशवासियों को दीपावली की शुभ अवसर की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं स्वीकार हो। यह त्यौहार देश का सबसे बड़ा शुभ त्यौहार है। इस त्यौहार की सबको बहुत भारी खुशियाँ होती हैं और सब इसको बहुत उत्साहपूर्वक मनाते हैं।
I am Vipul Nanda, resident of Hamilton Court. I have just shifted out here. I wish everybody in Gurgaon a very, very happy and a safe Diwali.
I want to wish happy Diwali to all my friends and family and keep watching G Bharati.